Croeso pawb i YnChwarae. A heddiw, ni'n mynd I bod yn chwarae Start Survey. Now apparently mae'r game hyn yn defnyddio pethau ar eich cyfrifiadur ti neu rhywbeth I trio psycho ti allan. So, ni'n mynd I bod yn hwyl. So, ble ni? Mewn stafell. O, yn swnio fel dydd neis ti allan. Start. Just go through gwasgu just na. Nobody gwasgus. Trio hwnna ar ail playthrough. Are you having a nice day? Yeah, Ryan. Just wedi gwylio'r Monaco Grand Prix ac Indy 500, so... Yeah. Mae wedi bod yn dydd da. Do you have many responsibilities? Ydw. Ryan. Right. Ydw. Ready? Ryan. Ryan, yn gwaith. Llawer o responsibilities. Look around for a moment. Oh. Pick up. Water. Oh. Nice. Wow. Hwnna'n fyw lovely o'r adeilad. Well, ydy hwnna even hyd yn oed ar draws y stryd? Neu just like alleyway? Oh my days. Oh, are you familiar with your surroundings? Nah. Do you know where you are? Nah. Oh, Jesus. Have you ever had a panic attack? Yeah, Vanna. Yes, Mae'r. Do you find yourself questioning your existence? Yeah. Ydw fi'n byw? Do you believe there is a God? Efallai? Sa'n siŵr I heb cwrdd y fe eto. Oes na dim maybe option? Yeah? Are you answering these questions out of free will? Ydw? Remember, Ryan? Are you certain? Nah. We're ddim certain. You feel comfortable in your room? Wel, rwy fi yn teimlo comfortable cyn rwy ti'n gofyn hwnna, so na, dim nawr. If the lights sign out, would you be scared? Yeah, ydw fi eisiau gone. Yn mynd I gwneud e'n dywyll fan hyn. And, oh. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Got the whiskey drops off. Oops. If the lights went out, would you be scared? Yes. Have you ever wondered when you would die? Am I too sweaty, agor? Yeah? Oh. How do you dress that? Have you cleaned off your desk? Yeah. Open the folder on your desk. Dwi eisiau gyfer... Mr. Hill! Oh no! Do you recognise the contents of the folder? Yeah! Dwi yn. Hwnna'n un o'r emotes ar y Twitch channel ni. O'r holl lluniau! Rwy'n fe gallu, y game hyn gallu dewis. Ar y cyfrifiadur fi, mae wedi dewis Mr. Hill efo'n gwn. Hwnna'n wych. Hwnna'n... perfect. Yeah, dwi'n gwybod Mr. Irf, yeah. Throw away the contents of the folder. What? Wait, do you have... Rhythm eisiau! Nah. Do you have any... Yeah. Do you have any enemies? Oh, Mr. Irf. Just put... 14-point gun hwnna at I, mae'n edrych yn menacing. Do you have any enemies? No, I didn't meddwl. If you suddenly went missing, would anybody come looking for you? Hidden teimlo yn... Ydy hwnna threat? Wyt ti'n, like, probo? Wyt ti'n mynd I llafu? Game? Yeah. Hello? Yes. Mae rhywun jyst mynd I dod trwy y drws nawr ar llafu. If you screamed, would anybody hear? Wel, gobeithio, rwy'n gobeithio bod fy neighbours yn clywed os bod fi'n sgrechian right nawr. Oh, mae'r sign yn y game hyn. Rwy'n meddwl rwy'n have footsteps o dod trwy'r drws fan. Yeah, rwy'n mynd I dweud yeah. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. No! Mae rhywbeth fan hyn! Hello? Take some time to relax. Are you relaxed? No! Rwy ddim bloody relaxed! Are your feelings real or not just programmed like a machine? Yeah, dwi'n meddwl nhw'n gwir. Is there a meaning to life? Yes, Mae'r. Mynd am y cwestiynau galed. Is there a meaning to life? Rwy ddim siŵr. Efallai ddim. Efallai popeth yn just digwydd. Na. Do you know who you are yet? Yeah? Dwi'n Owain. Rwy'n gwybod pwy ryan. No, I ddim gwybod beth sy'n digwydd. If you were told the truth about your existence, would you deny it in hopes for a better answer? No. When I ask you questions, is it really you answering? Yeah. Yeah, my V. If I could prove to you that you are not sentient, would you be shocked? Yeah. Well, I'm definitely shocked on that. Do you want to know the truth? Yeah. Go on. Dangos fi the truth. Oh. Look around you. This room, the door, the computer, the house next door. Hello? Okay. Oh! None of it is real. I made this world. I made you. I've been trying to help you see it for what it is, and now I've finally done it. Oh. Dwi'n cyfrifiadur. I can finally set you free! Ah! Roedd hwnna'n game cute. Roedd fi'n hoffi hwnna. Hey! Start survey. Oh yeah, roedd hwnna'n game eitha cool. Roedd fi'n hoffi hwnna. Roedd fi'n hoffi sut roedd fi'n defnyddio like, lluniau o'r cyfrifiadur ti. Cari sut roedd fi'n dewis Mr. Irv. Ond yeah, roedd hwnna'n really cool. Diolch pawb am gwylio. Gweld chi gyd yn y fideo nesaf.